Alright, here we are with our last video. And so what we have is our finite geometry video. And we're trying to figure out this new geometry. So up here we have our axions. Number one, there are exactly 4 lines. So what I have drawn down here, 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Check. Axiom 2, any 2 distinct lines have exactly 1 point in common. So one has 2 lines. This one has these 2 lines, this one has these 2 lines, this one has these 2 lines. Perfect. And each point is on exactly 2 lines. So yep, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So looks pretty good. But then we have a few things to prove right here. So we need to prove that there are exactly 6 points. So I still had to keep, if you'll remember, I still have to keep these axioms in mind, but I come up with this geometry shape, and I know that there's exactly 6 points because of, I still have my 4 lines, and they're crossing, but any 2 distinct lines have exactly 1 point in common. So here I count, first of all, let's count the points. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's go ahead and write those on there. Six, there they are. Has exactly 6 points. And if we double check right here, any 2 distinct lines have exactly 1 point in common. So these 2 lines have this point in common, but then these 2 lines have this point in common. These 2 lines have this point in common. These 2 have this point. These 2 have this point, and then these 2 have this point. So we're not doubling up on any lines, so that still checks out and works. And then each point is on exactly 2 lines. So as you can see, there's not like a third line coming out right here. So we are good to go so far. Perfect. So this one is proved. Check. Mostly because of A1 and A2, but mostly A2 of all. Okay. And then it says each line in this geometry has exactly 3 points. So if we look at this from up above, each line has 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So there we go. We have 3 points. And once again, we have already double checked that all of our axioms turn out. And so therefore this works because because we wouldn't be able to have any other points, because if we did, then we would only have 6, and there would also be more than 4 lines probably coming out which way. So because of A1, this one checks out. So there we go. Sorry for the bad camera job this time. Because of A1, this one checks out as well. And